Matt from Four Seasons Sunroom is going to be answering all of your sunroom questions.
What sort of things should I be aware of when planning a sunroom extension?
There's a few things that you need to consider when you're thinking about doing the sunroom extension or any extension to your home. A couple things you want to be mindful of. Access. What is the access like to your home? As you can see here, we actually had to remove the fence in order to get the machinery back here to create this excavation. What you're missing here is there was an existing deck here that also had to be removed. So the question is, who's going to do that? Is it going to be your contractor that's going to do that? Another consideration to take is the type of design that you choose might have an impact on the existing home in terms of window locations and placements. There could be obstacles that are in the way to prevent, let's say, something with a high peak to be allowed to be built on your home.
Does my sunroom need a foundation?
Yes, your sunroom does need a foundation. Now, it doesn't need a basement foundation, but it does need something that's below the frost line, which is generally about 4 feet or so. Now, there's different ways of doing that. Obviously, this is one of them. The simpler alternative is to do it on a post foundation. Now that can be done with a sonotube, which is the traditional type of way of doing it, which is basically a concrete pier. You'll see a lot of decks done that way. But probably the more popular approach, especially nowadays, is what's done through what's called like a helicopile. It's essentially a big giant metal screw that gets screwed into the ground by a little robot. It's fantastic. It measures the density of the soil, and you really get a true foundation. So yes, to answer your question, you definitely need a foundation as part of your sunroom build. The question is, what is the right solution for you, for your home and your property?
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.